I found a very easy and fast way for you to get your 1000 subscribers, and this is legit. This is real, guys, and that is what I'm going to be explaining to you in today's video. See, you don't want to miss out on anyone. You want to ensure that you are getting this the right way, the legal way, so that you will not accumulate for yourself a dead audience. Now, what is a dead audience? A dead audience is when you accumulate subscribers on your channel who are not watching. So that means you're having maybe like hundreds of thousands of subscribers, you're getting less than 1,000 views. Do you understand? So those are dead audience. Now, the very first thing is there is a particular subscriber URL that you can use to prompt people to easily subscribe to your channel. I'm going to go into my phone screen and show you exactly how to do it. But what you want to do is to go over to your YouTube app, right, and copy your channel link. If you want to get there, this is what to do. Just come over to your profile picture, come over to this pencil icon here, then you're going to see your channel URL. So just tap on it to copy, then you go to your phone browser, the search bar, and paste that link, and then just tap on it to check. Now, once anybody does this, like once anybody taps on that link, on your own link, it's going to bring them to this your page where it says subscribe. Do you understand? So what they can just do is to hit the subscribe button, and they're going to subscribe. Now you can see here that it says want to subscribe to this channel, sign in to subscribe to this channel. Now this one is a long journey. Some people might not really be patient enough to sign in, like putting in their email address and all of that for them to sign in. So what you can do is to just go straight to your notepad. Okay, that link that you posted, just paste it there. Better still, if you have a system, just go over to your YouTube studio, right, and then just copy your custom URL, not the channel URL, the custom URL, and paste it here. Then do this. Want to type is !sub underscore confirmation. Just be sure with the spelling, okay? Confirmation equals, right, equals 1. Then you just copy this whole thing and do the same thing. So it is going to lead you to it is going to just lead them to a page that says, that will make them to just subscribe immediately. Do you understand? So that link is what you want to be using. But if you are doing this, number one, once you are able to create your own unique URL, what you want to do now is go to different platforms, but please follow my instructions. Please follow my instructions. You're going to go over to different social media platforms, and you are lucky if you already have a huge following on any of your other social media platforms, maybe Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. You go on those social media platforms. Now create a post, and that post must be related to your niche. Remember, I always preach about having a niche. That is just it. I always preach about having a niche, and I have told you, if you do not have a niche, or if you are unsure, if you are confused as to what to do to get your own niche, two things are what you should be considering. What's the first one? Number one, let it be something you are passionate about. Just think about it. Okay, what am I passionate about? What is that thing that I'm so good at? What is that thing that they can call on me and I would always show up? Something that you are passionate about. So that's the first thing you should be looking at. Passion, because YouTube is long term. Oh, now one thing is, it's not, you don't have to be 100%. Remember, I said it's your passion, right? But you don't have to be 100% perfect on that particular thing for you to now come and film on YouTube, because I know there's a lot of people who want to get everything right before they come in front of their cameras and talk. Do you understand? So just get that out of your mind, that you can actually just know that you can learn on the job when you are on YouTube. Okay, so as long as it's something you love, you would always want to get more knowledge, get more informed. Okay, so as you are learning, you are also imputing. Do you understand? So don't wait until everything is perfect before you do this. So that's the very first thing, your passion. Then also profitability, something that you know that aside the AdSense revenue, you can also get money from that thing. Maybe people are buying your courses, you are selling something, you are booking sessions with people, you are doing, so profit and passion, those are the two things you should consider when picking a niche. So now, when you go on your different accounts, okay, or your different social media platforms, you want to create a post that is talking about what you do in your channel or on your channel. and then you now put, if you now tell them that if this is something that you are interested in, just click on the link in the in the description box or in the comment section or whatever, and then that link, now the thing is, immediately they click on that link, they are going to subscribe immediately. That's what that link is for. It's a subscription link. So once you click on that link, once they click on that link, they are going to subscribe. So you want to do a post, maybe a write-up, maybe a very short clip, just something interesting that would, captivate people. So that's the first thing. Now the second thing is when it comes to live streaming. Now this is the trick. This is the trick. Whenever you want to live stream, now one thing I've noticed about live streaming is the more you can get people to like your live stream, the more YouTube is going to push that live stream out. And once YouTube pushes it out, you're going to be getting more people. Now this is the trick. What you want to do is you want to inform, before you go on your live stream, you want to inform different people. It could be on your community tab. I've said it before, you go on your live stream, especially if you know you're still trying to build your community, post it on your live stream that you're going to be going live by so time. Do you understand? In fact, you can schedule your live and then put the link there so that they'll be able to, follow you on that live stream. They'll be able to click on the notification bell so that once you are live, they'll be notified and they will join your live stream. You want to inform friends and families. Now, this one does not have to do with, it's legit. Inform your friends that, okay, I'm going to be going live by this time. Just come and support me. Now, what you want them to do is this. Once you can get them to join your live stream, once you start, now tell them to hit the thumbs up button. Once they double tap, they can give it a thumbs up. Now, as they are double tapping, do you know what is happening? As they're giving it a thumbs up, it is reaching out to different people. Do you understand? It is reaching out to different people. So as those people are now joining, because you already told your friends to join, and because they have joined, they have liked it for you. As they are liking, YouTube is pushing out that live stream to more people. So when you now get people to join, what you want to ensure that you are doing is whatever you are chatting, whatever it is that you are discussing on your live stream should be centered around your niche, because you want to get subscribers who will be interested in watching your long form videos, your other videos, or who will be interested in your channel. Do you understand? So once you are getting new people to join, you will now be talking and be trying to answer their questions, trying to flow with them as per what you do on your channel. Then you will keep prompting them to subscribe. It is very easy to subscribe when you are on the live stream, right? It is just on top there, up. It's just on the screen there. So you just tell them that hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button. Anybody will just tap on it and they are subscribed to your channel already. So with that, you are getting for yourself loyal subscribers who would also be interested in what you do on your channel. And if you tell somebody to subscribe and you're not giving them what they want, sometimes they will not subscribe. That's why I said, when you're on your live stream, do what you are doing on your channel. Like, talk about what you're doing on your channel. If it's tutorials, then be answering people's questions. If it's makeup, you can get your makeup kit and be doing your makeup on your live stream. If it's cooking, you can be cooking on your live stream. Do you understand? So all of those things will definitely help you. And if it's cooking, please let your visual qualities be good. Let the colors be popping. These things are really going to get you your 1,000 subscribers very fast, very fast. And don't worry, I'm still brainstorming on more, because there are more things that you can do, more legit ways that you can go through to get your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours. I'm going to come back and share with you, but because I don't want this video to be too long, I keep looking at this thing, I'm going to end it right now. Remember, if you need a one-on-one session as per YouTube, you want me to go through your channel with you, your analytics, your studio, you can just chat me up on Instagram. I'm also Gloriousy on Instagram, and then we'll just fix a date. Okay, so we can have that session together. If you need a video editing course that is very comprehensive, easy to understand, just check on my description box. You're going to see the link to my seller store. So just get the course from there. Anything you want, any information you need, just chat me up on Instagram. I'll always be there to answer you. Do you understand? Like I would always say, do not skip my ads. And I wish you all success on your videos. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, comment. Let me get those lovely comments. And please, if you love me, do well to give me a super thanks. It's right beside your comments, the comment section. Just tap on the $sign there and then gift your beautiful girl. All right, bye. Oh, your beautiful lady. Okay, bye. I'll see you on my next one. Go make your 1,000 subscribers fast. Bye bye.